Let's learn how to do an escort base. This is one way to do it. I use text just to take out this escort. You don't really need to. And I use them to take out M. Then I send in 4 techs, 4 escorts. This is really an easy base to kill. He's just going to clean out the hunter, which is going to hurt our mantis. We're just cleaning the base out so our mantis can attack. Watch out for him. He's gone. Okay, that's it. Now we're just going to send the mantis in. And we're done. That's just for an easy way to do a base. Basically what we did is we took out the hunter, which will hurt the mantis. We took out a couple of these towers. There was one here, a couple over there. They'll hurt the mantis, but at the end of the base, we will have maybe a minute's worth of damage to manticores. The escorts will have 30 seconds. Technicals will have nothing. So you can do as many of these bases as you want to do. Just do them nonstop. The worst part about it is the manticores are slow as the dickens. We're just going to go around and kill everything with the manticores. At this point, there's not much that can hurt them. He will, but they won't do a lot of damage. He'll do a little bit of damage. These guys will do a little bit of damage. But like I said, we will get maybe a minute and a half worth of damage. Just watch where I shoot so you can minimize the damage. Shoot just before. Same thing here. Shoot this one, it'll kill that one. Shoot this one, he'll kill that one. Then we'll shoot that one. Don't have to worry about the escorts. The escorts will do nothing to us. Okay, he's gone. Just come down here, shoot him. And the manticores will clear out the rest. Shoot here, and basically that's it. Okay, he'll just clean out the rest. Just let him sit there. Okay, that's all gone. Shoot right there. He'll clean him out. Shoot right there. He'll clean those two out. That's it. Nothing else will do you any damage. Okay, they're gone. Shoot right there. He'll clear them out. Bingo. He'll clean those out. Shoot right there. Just a couple more shots and we're done. Nothing else will hurt us at this point. Just a quick way. If you need escort parts, if you need dumb fire for escorts, if you need anything else for your escorts, any of the tech that you need for your escorts, the escort bases are great for this. And that's it. Let's see what we get. And we're done. Give me a dumb fire. Bingo, got a dumb fire. Been good to me. Okay, collect. That's it. So we'll send everybody back home. You'll see that we get almost no damage. See how much we got on the manticores. 1 minute. 1 minute damage on the manticores. We got 12 of them. And then these are not the escorts I sent out. They'll be back just a second. Let's see where they're at. They're on their way. Once these guys arrive, we'll probably have maybe a minute and a half damage. That's it. So, I mean, you can literally do this nonstop. See, just a little bit of damage. This was one base. This was the base before that. So that's technically 2 bases worth of damage. And not back yet. They are back. There they are. Okay, 1 minute's damage. That's 2 bases. No, you don't want logistics. Just finish it. So as you can see, that's it. That's all it was. It's all done.